Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Amit Negi Talks. My name is Amit Negi and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this vlog we will discuss about the Naga regiment and some strange facts about the Naga regiment. So stay with the video and watch the complete video to know about the facts. So let's start.
साहब सुना है ये सर काट के ले जाते हैं और इंसान को भी खा लेते हैं. साहब we heard that they cut off the head of their enemies and are cannibals. This was not a terrified Pakistani soldier but a curious soldier of 17th Jet Battalion who asked Srinjoy Chaudhary, author of the book Dispatches from Kargil. Traditionally, Naga tribal used to keep skull for two reasons. First, of their dead ancestors as the mark of respect. Second, the dead enemy as a mark of victory, hence the name as headhunter. This is the reason behind this particular term headhunter, why the Naga regiments are known as the headhunter of the Indian Army. It appeared that their reputation walked ahead of the unit. For the enemy, equally frightening was Naga's reputation of not taking any prisoner. Hell, they lived up to this reputation. Like their Pakistani counterparts, Jet soldiers had heard a lot about the Gurkha soldiers and had seen them enough. There are 7 Gurkha regiments in the Indian Army with 6-7 battalions in each regiment. But the Naga soldiers were not so familiar to them. There are just 3 Naga battalions, 1 TA Territorial Army Naga Battalion. During the 1960s, the government was keen to bring the Naga youth in the forefront of the national development. There was no better way to give them a chance to earn the honor of becoming defenders of the motherland. Hence, first Naga was raised on the 1st November 1970 at the Kumaon Regimental Center, Ranikhet, under the command of Lieutenant Colonel R.N. Mahajan. 69 Naga rebels were enrolled in 1st Naga directly from the rehabilitation camps. 2 Naga battalions took part in Kargil War, 1st Naga under 56 Mountain Division and 2nd Naga under 79 Mountain Brigade. The 2nd Naga played a very crucial part in capturing the famous Tiger Hill during the night of 3rd and 4th July 1999 and the strategic point 4875 complex. During the attack on the Tiger Hill, 2nd Naga had the left flank while 8th Sikh had the right flank. 18 grenadiers captured the Tiger Hill. On the single night, 2 Naga lost 30 men and 80 were injured. During the operation to capture the point 4875, 2nd Naga captured twin bombs featured by 1200 on 6 July. Then there was a heavy mortar position which had 82 mm and 120 mm mortars and it was threatening the national highway and the Dras town. After capturing twin bombs on 8 July, 2nd Naga launched a raid on the enemy mortar position. Leading assaulting party moved stealthily and 23-year-old Sepoy Imliang Kum A surprised and killed sentry guard of outer perimeter of the mortar position. Then they stormed the mortar position, killed 4 enemy soldiers and captured 3 into 82 mm and 4 into 120 mm mortars. For his bravery and devotion to the duty, Sepoy Imliang Kum A was awarded Mahavir Chakra. His award citation read, "His determination, grit, cool confidence and rare courage in the face of the enemy was exemplary in the true spirit and the tradition of the Indian Army and the regiment which was factor in eliminating the enemy from almost indomitable mortar position." Enthusiastic and victorious Nagas didn't stop there and launched attack on Rocky Knob, Hump and Tip featured and captured them all by 10th July. Their valor and reputation left an unfading impression on both enemy soldiers as well as their brothers in arms. Kargil War officially ended on 26 July 1999 and Indian Army celebrated it as Vijay Diwas. Please light a candle for those 527 soldiers who made supreme sacrifice for our country. It would just take a minute for your time but would mean a lot to every man and woman in the uniform and their families. So friends, this is all about the Naga regiment and why they are known as the headhunter of the Indian Army. So here in this video I told you about all the facts of the Naga regiment, how the 2nd Naga played the important role in the Kargil war and how many soldiers have made their supreme sacrifice for our motherland. So thank you so much for watching the complete video. If you like the video then please subscribe, share and comment. And please comment so that I can make some better videos on Gurkha regiments and other regiments of the Indian Army. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.